Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize threat detection with Palo Alto networks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Palo Alto Networks Management interface. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the Objects tab on the dashboard. Select Services to define the services you'll monitor. Click Add to create a new service definition. Input the required parameters, such as the name and protocol type. Next, navigate to the Policies tab. Select Security to configure security policies. Click Add to create a new security rule. In the rule settings, specify the source and destination zones. Define the source and destination addresses for your traffic. Set the application filter to include critical applications. Next, scroll down to the Actions section. Choose Alert to enable alerts on specific actions. Enable logging for all session logs for better visibility. Click Save to keep your newly created rule. Now, go to Monitor in the main menu. Select Logs and then Threat to view ongoing threat activities. Use the search functionality to filter logs by severity. Review the threat details to understand potential risks. Adjust your policies based on the threat log insights. Enable advanced features like Wildfire for malware detection. Configure the settings to automatically forward samples for analysis. Finally, ensure regular updates to your threat intelligence feeds. This will help maintain optimal threat detection and response capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.